Hi everybody, thank you for joining me in this video. Today, I want to show you how to draw a property boundary or how to plot a lot in AutoCAD using numbers like this. You see these numbers, right? Looking at it might seem difficult at first, but it actually isn't that hard. You just need to input the numbers on AutoCAD, which is the software we're going to use today. Before we start, may I know what is lot plotting? It is a two-dimensional map containing the plot of your land based on the technical descriptions appearing on the land title, or on the technical descriptions appearing on the previous approved surveys conducted over the subject land or the actual survey conducted by the geodetic engineers.
Okay, so let's go back to the activity. I seek some free lot designs and I have provided you three diagrams with bearings in this picture. I will be drawing property number 1 in this video and you can go ahead and choose one, or maybe you want to try all the three after the demonstration here.
So now that we are in AutoCAD, we need to start a new drawing and set its drawing units. You need to type UN as the shortcut key and change the scale into inches and hit OK to set the command. So before we start the drawing, you need to type L as the shortcut keys for line and hit enter or spacebar key. After selecting the first point, that will serve as the A or the first point in the bearing. After that, you need to press Shift or greater than and type N60, and instead of putting the degree sign, you can just put D21 apostrophe and as minutes and 08 quotation as seconds and W as the shortcut keys for west, and you're gonna hit enter. As you can see, it is set at the specific location. What we need to do now is to enter its distance. We need to type the 563.944 meters and hit enter. Now you can see the location of A and B. And now we're going to create the point B and point C by doing the same thing again. We're going to enter shift greater than north 20 degree 40 minutes and 4 seconds facing east and hitting the enter key again to create the line. After that, we need to enter the distance, which is the 179.596 and hit enter again. And just like that, we have the point B and point C. You just need to keep going and repeating the same process again and again. Now we're going to create the point C to point D. Which is N29 degree 29 seconds and 45, 29 minutes and 45 seconds, facing east, and hit enter. And now for the distance, which is 379.500, and hit enter to create the line for C and point D. Next we need to do is the point D to point E, which is south 60 degree, 30 minutes and 15 seconds, facing east. Hit enter and then it snap again to its location. Now we're going to enter the distance, 614.500, and hit enter. And I'm just going to do this next point so that we can see the final result. And now that you've realized we finally have the shape of the property, if we should zoom into the last point, you can see that the last point doesn't connect to the first point. Because no matter how accurate the survey, there is some slight inconsistency, but that's fine. So all you have to do is to connect this is you need to select the last line and connect it to the first line. And now you can see that it is connected. And once you're done, all you have to do is select the line and join them, type J as the shortcut keys and hit enter or spacebar. Now you can see that once you select one line, it connect all and join together. Here, what we could do is determine where on the property you want to place the building. So also you can, from here, what we could do is to determine where on the property you want to place the building. You can also determine how big, your building, lay out your site plan, where you want to place the garage, the driveway, to get the trees if you want to plant trees and stuff like that, and decide where you want to have your roadway as well as going to do a site plan. So that's it. We have finally finished the lot plotting based on the technical descriptions below. And if you have some queries, you can type on the comment box if you don't understand the part that I discussed. Thank you and goodbye.